Hey, good morning, guys. We have 7 orders on eBay today, so we're going to do a what sold video, so stick around. All right, we have 6 orders going out on our main eBay store, and then we have 1 order going out on the second eBay store. So we're going to go ahead and get started and pull these orders so we can get them shipped today. All right, so first order up is puzzles, which have been selling really hot. This is 3 bits and pieces Christian puzzles, and I paid $1.99. No, I'm sorry, $1 each for these at a local thrift store. So it cost me $3, and they're all new. And here I am just throwing them on the floor. But as you can see, they're Christian puzzles. And you see they got like Noah's Ark and then the all kinds of it. They're all pretty cool puzzles. They're all sealed. This sold for $20.79 plus the buyer paid shipping. So $3 and the $20 is always a good sale. We're happy with that one. Next up is this Pandemic Legacy Season 2. This we put on auction and it sold for $39 plus shipping. So it's pretty heavy. I'm a big board game and puzzle person, so I love seeing these things go out to people who are probably staying inside and trying to do the stay-at-homes and do that. So that's always good. Next item up is a Leapfrog Sing and Snuggle Scout Interactive Puppy, and I see him down there. It's behind this in this mug. We're gonna move that out of the way so we don't knock it out of there. You gotta always be careful with your glassware. This is already bagged to protect it from moisture. I'm not 100% sure where we got this or how much we paid for it, to be honest with you, but it sold for $15.99 and the buyer paid shipping on that as well. Let's see here. The Little Woodsies camping toy sold right there for $9.99, and it's already packed because I pulled it the other day, I think, in a video. So that's ready to go. $9.99 plus shipping for the buyer, I believe. Could have been free shipping. Let me go back in there. I think it's free shipping on that one. Yeah, it wasn't worth a whole lot. Yeah, it's free shipping. So sold another game called Carcassonne, or I'm not really sure how you say it, which is surprising because, you know, I love board games, but it sold for $27.99 plus shipping as well. So we're gonna move these board games. It's this one right here. If you've never played it, it's a great little board game, and this is new. All the board games I get are wholesale because we have a wholesale account through the bookstore, and we get to sell board games in the store and online. So pretty cool thing there to be able to do. We had another item sell, but they haven't paid yet. And then we have this last item here, which is going to be in box 31, and it's pretty heavy. It's a lot of 20 Lakeside Press classic books from 1950 to 1970s, and it sold for $48 plus the buyer paid $20 in shipping. I'm going to grab these and then show them to you. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed them. This is what they look like. They're by R.R. Donnelley and Sons. They're older. These are pretty well sought after, so if you see them, make sure you grab them. I'm wondering what this card is. Oh, that's part of it, so we're going to leave that in there. But there's 20 of these books. They are a little bit spotted. They do have some issues with them, but yeah, the sale was pretty good for them. I'm happy with the $48. They're really heavy. They're going medium mail, so that's why it costs about $20 to ship those out. Alright, so the last item we have is actually on our second account, and I was shocked that these didn't sell during Christmas, but I'm very pleased with the sales on these. So it's these 4 ornaments, and I'm going to show you. So these are Mary Maxim collector ornaments, and it's a 4-pack, and they're all pretty cool looking. All were new. One had been opened, but it was new down on the inside, and I paid 99 cents a piece for these, so I got $4 into it, and it sold for $74 excuse me, and 99 cents plus shipping. paid by the buyer. So really excited about that sale. It just shows that Christmas sells year round. We're always listing different holidays because holidays sell year round. So we have Halloween and Christmas. We have all that stuff up right now, and it will sell. So make sure you guys get that stuff up there. We hope you're staying safe out there. Keep listing, stay positive, take it day to day, and I'm sure you'll be successful. We'll talk to you guys next time. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning, and we had 11 orders come in yesterday. 10 of those have been paid for, so we're going to walk through what sold. Let's get started. All right, so it was a decent day yesterday. Sales weren't exceptionally good, but we'll take 10 paid orders. First up is a pair of shoes, and these are Brooks shoes, and these are in box 19, which are back here. And these sold for $17.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. These were $4 at Goodwill. These are really cool shoes though. I think they're probably one of the coolest pairs. I'm gonna bring them into the light here. They're like a suede, like a green suede. They're a little bit vintage. A nice sale there. And like I said, $17.99 buyer paid shipping. So not a bad deal there for sure. So let me put this stuff back, just like so. Okay. All right, let's see what else is up next. And actually, our 11th order just paid. Very cool. We'll pull that as well. The next item is a stay-at-home item, which we've seen quite a bit sell. It's a gummy candy lab. Looks like this. We bought this brand new at a thrift store. It's still sealed in plastic. It's a STEM experiment kit. And this sold, excuse me, for $14 plus shipping. Whenever I get talking in the morning, I always get a few little coughs, and you guys are the first people I talk to normally. So we've got some books going out. I'm gonna cover those last. This is a Magic Bullet baby bullet care system. It's for doing baby food, and this is in tote 1. This sold for $15 and the buyer paid shipping. If you've never seen a baby bullet, I'm getting ready to show you what they look like. We lost the lid to it. That's what they look like right here. And came with an extra blade. It's got a little baby face on there. I don't know if you can actually see it unless I get it up. So $15 plus buyer paid shipping. We paid $2.99 for that at a thrift store. Next item up is a phone, and this is a pretty cool phone. This is in box 5. This sold for $19.92. I paid $3.99 for it. I'm gonna try and pull it out. I don't see the headset. It's down there. Maybe if we can get it out. We've got something attached to our oh goodness, I might have to set you guys down for just a second. Let's put you right there and pull this out because this phone cord is attached to some stuff. Okay, there we go. All right. Show it to you guys on camera here real quick. This is a, I think it's Bed Bath & Beyond phone. It's got the vintage look to it, so it's pretty cool. And I want to say we paid less than $5 for it at a thrift store, and it sold, what did I say, $16.92? No, $19.92, plus the buyer paid shipping. So a good little deal there. Here's another remote that sold. You guys, if you've watched the channel before, I tell you time and time again, remotes are super easy to sell. They sell relatively quick. It's in BS1B1. So BS1B1, right? Here it is back here. If I can get it out, right here. This is a Panasonic Blu-ray disc player remote. And I actually have the the DVD player, and I didn't realize it. I listed this before I knew I had the other piece. No big deal there. The DVD player itself, the Blu-ray player, sells for about $30 without a remote. It would have sold for $50 with the remote. This remote sold on its own for $16.50 plus free shipping. We'll bubble wrap that, put it in a bubble mailer, and send it on its way. Super easy. Here's a cheap item that we sold, and we listed them as single units. There was 5 of them. We're down to 2. This sold for $5, and it's going to cost us $2 and I think 80 cents to ship, because we'll put it in a bubble mailer and send it on its way. We had 5 of those, so super easy to list. Picture of the front, picture of the back, throw it up, put quantity of 5. Took no time at all, and we're making $2 or $3 every time we ship one of those out. So not the greatest sale, but fast moving, and definitely a way to turn some money pretty quickly. We've been selling right through them. So box 18 has a Cuisinart Blend and Cook soup maker replacement glass blender pitcher. This sold for $26.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. This is what it looks like. This is heavy duty, so I'm glad we had them pay shipping on it. I actually had the soup maker. We sold it on Amazon for like $300, and it got returned, and it got put in a return pile, and we didn't actually get to it fast enough to open a case. But when the person sent the item back, the base that this goes into was an old beat up one and wasn't working. So basically the person bought the item on Amazon for the base, took the base, put their broken crappy base back in there, sent it back to us, and we didn't catch it in time. So now we open our returns every week to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So just something to be aware of if you sell on Amazon. There are shady people out there that will try to take advantage of you. Next item up was Talking to Heaven 2-part miniseries based on a true story with Ted Danson. This sold for $5.90. Has free shipping on it. It's a DVD, super fast, super easy. Must not have been a very good movie though, because oh, this is Love Letters. This isn't the right one. Got to make sure we're grabbing the right stuff. Let's see here. Must not have been a very good one, and I think I had multiples of these. Yeah. And it's sealed and sold for $5. So brand new sealed, and it's only selling for $5. Maybe it's a good movie. I don't know. I've never seen it. So yeah. All right. Anyways, I'll stop being a movie critic here and critiquing some stuff. All right. The last item to sell is it's out of box 11. I tell you guys, that box has been hot. My wife found this. This is a purse, handmade. Red purse. This is in, like I said, box 11. This sold for $19 plus shipping. Actually, it's free shipping. I just double checked that. And my wife couldn't have paid more than $2 for this thing. It's pretty cool. It's kind of hard to tell here, but it has these cool little wooden handles, and it was handmade, crocheted. Very cool, very vintage looking, and she was quite happy with that sale. So we got 2 more items going out today. These are books. Books have been hot during this pandemic and people staying home and trying to, you know, flatten the curve. So books have been doing really well. We have a lot of 12 science fiction books by Raymond E. Feist, I think is how you say it. These were free to us, but this we sold for $17.99 and free shipping. I'm going to go see if I can find those here in a second. Because they're at the other end, but I'm going to see. Yep, bookshelf 2 has, which is down here. Oh, there they are. This is a lot of 22 Harlequin intrigue romance. These sold for $24.99 plus free shipping as well. I'm not quite sure why the books are selling with free shipping. That's not something we normally do. Could be that hiccup that's going on eBay. I know that it automatically sets it for free shipping. And if you're not paying attention, you could list it as free shipping. But with books, thankfully, that'll probably cost about $4 to ship, and this other one will probably cost about $3 to ship, if I can find it. It's in SF2. As you can see, it's still a mess down on this end, and I think it's back in here somewhere. So let me take a look and see if I can find these and show you guys. Okay, guys, I was able to find those. SF2, Science Fiction 2. That's what they look like. It's actually going to stay in this box, and we'll just put some packing material in there. And like I said, those sold for $17.99 plus free shipping. Probably going to cost about $3, maybe $4 to ship it out. Hey guys, it's Brad. We had another order come in while I was doing some shipping. I wanted to show you guys. It's going to be a little harder to show because I'm on my phone. I forgot my my GoPro at home, but if you look in this box, these are Franklin Library books. Like this is Tales of Edgar Allan Poe, and I don't know if you can see that, but they're really cool looking. They're really decorative. They look really, really cool. They got the gold all the way around. We got this set donated to us at the bookstore, and we just sold it on auction for $319.99, and the buyer paid around $40 in shipping. So we're going to have to ship out 3 different boxes. So we got 1, 2, and 3. It's going to be probably close to 90 pounds. But we did mark the shipping down a little bit for the buyers. So I think it's $40 or maybe $50 all in. But we're going to ship those out. So we're really excited about it. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys that and make sure that you got to see it. All right, talk soon. Again, I appreciate everybody watching the video. I hope you liked it today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that. Comment below with any comments or questions, and stay safe out there, guys. We'll talk soon.